Hello guys, good morning. And so this day is Teacher's Day. Hindi talaga siya pantay guys, hindi talaga yan pantay. Hindi ko siya pinantay kasi I like it the way it is. It's unique. So guys, yung itsura ko hindi na mukhang Street Fighter kasi pinapalitan ni Daddy. Like, he controlled me, sabi niya ibahin ko daw yung suot ko. So, iniba ko. Yes. And dito na pala ako sa school and apat pa lang kami dito.
Rejected yan eh.
Hindi like that.
Happy day, teachers!
Ba't sa labas? Ba't ako may terabyte?
Hindi kasi si Violin. So guys, hindi ko na muna sila ipa-vlog. Maybe yun, next episode. Ay kasi it's Teacher's Day. So happy day, teachers.
Okay, lahat dito.
Hey guys, so we are done eating. I'm with God.
Happy day, teachers!
Mga dito.
Sobrang spoiled naman. Thank you so much.
We love you so much.
I love you to all.
So guys, kung wari nagpo-post lang ako. Kung wari nagpo-post ako po, inaano ko siya.
A boy says, I won't bother them because there's no point of being friends with people who prioritize your 9% of your own friends.
Nandito kami right now nagpapatila kami ng ulan.
Then,
And by the way, yung teachers din hindi nagtuloy. Kasi nga it's orange rainfall.
next week?
Happy day, teachers! We're doing OB here.
Mag-OB kami.
Ano naman?
Hap!
Start the OB.
Wait, I'm gonna turn to a baggy princess. Bawal kasi sa akin ni Coco eh.
Ayun. Bakit?
Too sweet.
Meron namang...
Wala yun. Ano lang, it's time and I gotta go. I'm doing my Filipino and I will show you because it's not personal but private. Okay, bye-bye.